Happy Sunday, everyone. Well, it's Sunday today, but I'm not sure what day it's going to be by the time I upload this video.
Olivia, come on, Sava.
So has this ever happened to you? You spend a decent amount of time on wash day, washing your hair, styling it, making sure it dries nicely. 3, I lost count on my feet. Okay, all good. You get to enjoy really nice, juicy, fresh curls on the first day. And then you go to bed, wake up the next day, and it's a mess. You feel like all of your hard work from wash day has gone to waste, and you're having to deal with frizzy hair, flattened curls, dry hair. It's not a nice feeling. It's not a nice feeling. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Olivia, and in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I sleep with my curly hair, how I maintain their shape, and how I save so much time when it comes to restyling it the next day, using something the way it's not supposed to be used. But it makes so much sense and it's gonna save you some money. So whether you're new to the curly hair community or you've been here for a while, I'm pretty sure you've heard people raving about silk pillowcases, silk bonnets, silk scrunchies. It's all about the silk. And if you've been asking yourself, does it work? Well, I'm here to tell you that I've been using my silk pillowcase for a very long time, and it's drastically changed the way that I maintain my hair and the amount of time that I have to spend on the following days fixing my hair. Now, silk pillowcases have so many health benefits for your skin, but today I'm just going to be focusing on how it helps curly hair. So the first major benefit of sleeping with a silk pillowcase or a silk bonnet is that it helps reduce the friction and the static frizzy hair that can form throughout the night, and that's because silk is a lot smoother than polyester or cotton pillowcases, so your hair is more likely to glide over the top rather than getting stuck in those little fibers, which can also cause breakage. It also feels freaking beautiful. Silk doesn't absorb as much moisture from your hair as cotton pillowcases do, and that's because silk is a lot less porous than cotton, so it helps so your hair maintains its natural oils and helps keep your curls looking moisturized and less dry. So what do I use? Well, I personally use a silk pillowcase, but I double it as a silk scarf as well. So let me show you what I mean. So I got this silk pillowcase a while ago in Lebanon, actually. So this is my silk pillowcase. Now there's a few different ways of using a silk pillowcase. I mean, yes, you can just use it as a pillowcase, but when I do so, I still like tying my hair up in a pineapple, just like that. What that's gonna do is I'm gonna be sleeping on the bottom part of my hair. So even if that gets flattened a bit, once I untie it, it's going to be covered by all the curls that are preserved, so it's going to look good. However, I prefer using my silk pillowcase as a silk scarf, and I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm just going to fold it in half and then wrap it around my head. That way I feel like my curls are a lot safer, and I feel like they're being held in place a lot more, and they're less prone to being squashed by my face. So that's all I do, and I just sleep on my regular pillowcase. Now it will climb up my head a little bit when I'm sleeping, but I don't mind. It just depends on how active I am in my dream. But it gets the job done. It's really down to personal preference. I mean, you can try sleeping on a silk pillowcase first before you turn it into a silk wrap like this. Otherwise, you can get a silk scarf and do the same thing. So I actually filmed a part this morning. So it's 2:30 p.m. right now. But earlier today, I just wanted to show you what it looked like when I first took this out of my hair, just to show you how well my curls retained their shape, clearly because this is still them on the same day. So I'm gonna share that with you now. But if this video has been helpful so far in any sort of way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can ask me any questions down below in the comments. As for now, we're gonna travel back in time so I can show you what it looks like when I take it out. As you can see, my hair is still pretty nice and curly and defined. There are little bits of frizz here and there, but it's really easy to fix that. You just put some water, re-wet your hair, you can add a little leave-in conditioner, and then it will dry back looking nice and defined. Also, very important point is that I've noticed that my hair lasts a lot longer if I've taken my time on wash day and followed a proper curly hair wash routine. I highly recommend trying finger coiling. Yes, it may add 15 or 20 minutes more to your wash day, but I promise you it's really worth the results. You're gonna have really defined curls that are very, very easy to refresh throughout the week. And lucky for you, in my how to finger coil video, I break down and simplify the method that I use to finger coil my hair, so make sure you go check that out. Well, that's it from me, guys. Hope this has been helpful. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon.